Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Once again with the program Ramadan Quiz Wiz 2024. And I want to say all my viewers who are watching from last 3 years this program on Toronto 360 TV. This is one of the famous program of the town, and I know that I get a lot of calls, lot of emails from the different part of the cities as well, and peoples with their childrens and their grandchildrens, they are watching in front of the television or online. And I want to thank all of them, because without their support, without their appreciation, is it not possible for all of us to really continue this project. And the only purpose of this project, you know very well, that we want to teach and learn the Islamic knowledge to our children, so they will carry on this knowledge throughout their life. And this is one of the projects that we keep it, because we know that in this country there is no Islamic studies subject in the schools. There is no Quranic subject in the schools. That's why it's very important for Toronto 360 TV and for us that we will teach our children with the fun environment. That's very. What do you want to say? What do you want to say, man?
Yeah, for sure, definitely. It's a wonderful initiative.
Okay, what about you? You are the second time you are here.
Yeah.
What do you want to add here?
I've also competed, and to be honest, I was just waiting on that call from Arif Uncle to come back and host, and I enjoyed a lot. Teaching like all these children, like they're learning about Islam, and it's very good for our culture.
Okay, thank you, Asad. And you know that we have without the sponsor, it's not possible for all of us that we really bring this project in life, right? So we have a lot of sponsors actually. This time we have 10 teams, right? We have 2 groups, A and B. Today we are in the group B matches, right? So we have the 10 sponsors who are sponsoring. So we know that we have the 2 teams here, Milton Mutaqeens and Toronto Takbeers. So Milton Mutaqeens is sponsored by the Kababish Karai. They are in the Milton. They are one of the finest Karai they are making. So I ask that please go there and eat the Karai as well. And we have Global Immigration and Investment Services. Those are Brother Fraz. Thank you very much. First time you come to our program, you're helping us to sponsor the team, and they sponsored the Toronto Takbeer team. Thank you once again. Thank you all my sponsors. Thank you very much. So Zuhair, you want to start something? You want to start the Group A match?
Of course. Yeah.
Okay, so we have the 2 rounds here, and we want to start our first round of the question. Which team, Saad, you want to start?
I think we should start with Milton.
We should start with the Milton?
Because I'm a Milton hometown myself.
Oh, you're a Milton hometown. We have this year very important things. One very important thing is that you know that I tell you all except Zaim, whole team is very new. None of them is played before in any matches before in the Ramadan Quiz Wiz. So this year we have a lot of new kids. We bring it up the new teams and the new childrens to bring in the tournament. So that's the good thing is about. So let's start with Milton. Do you want to start with Milton Mutaqeens?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. So which group you want to start first?
Let's start with Zaim and Juwaria.
Zaim and Juwaria. Okay, Zaim and Juwaria, you're ready for the first question?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Computer, bring the first questions, please.
What are the qualities of Muttaqeen mentioned in the first 5 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah? A. They perform Hajj regularly. B. They sacrifice an animal every alternate year. C. They believe in the unseen, establish Salah, give Zakah, believe in revelations and the Day of Judgment. Or D. They fast all year round.
The answer is C. They believe in the unseen, establish Salah, give Zakah, believe in the revelation and the Day of Judgment.
Okay, let's see the answer is correct. MashaAllah. Wonderful, wonderful. Milton Mutaqeens, you have the 3 points now. And now the Jannah and Abdul Rafi, this is your chance to bring the 6 points to the Milton Mutaqeens. So let's computer bring the second questions, please.
What kind of food was sent down to
Bani Israel? A. Salty water and pigeons. B. Sweet gum and small birds like quails. C. Sweet water and eagles. Or D. Salty gum and falcons.
The answer is B. Sweet gum and small birds.
Answer is B. Sweet gum and small birds like quail. Thank you. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. You have, MashaAllah. I see that's such a confident people. They know the answer very well. The smile to when the questions come, the smile of the face, really telling that these children know the answer, right? But consultation is very important. So let's move on to the questions to the
Toronto Takbeer.
Toronto Takbeers. Where you want to go with Toronto Takbeer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
start.
ask the first question with Kashif and Ahmad, okay?
Okay.
Okay, computer, bring the first question, please.
Who was Maryam alayhi salam's guardian? Was it A, Zakaria alayhi salam, B, the Imran tribe, C, Yusuf alayhi salam, or D, Musa alayhi salam?
The answer is A, Zakaria alayhi salam.
Answer is A, Zakaria alayhi salam. That's the correct answer. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Toronto is also well prepared. It looks like they don't want to lose as well, right? Okay. So let's bring the second questions for the Yahya and Maryam. Computer and Zuhair, you will read the questions, please.
So for Yahya and Maryam, what was the message of Prophet Isa alayhi salam? A, I am God. B, Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so worship Him alone. C, worship Allah and He will give you miracles as He has given me. Or D, celebrate my birthday until the day of judgment.
The answer is B. Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so worship Him alone.
Okay, so the answer is correct, MashaAllah. Wonderful Toronto Takbeer as well. So it looks like that in round one, we are on the tie.
Yeah.
Neck to neck.
Neck to neck competition is going on. So which team you want to start now first?
We can go with Milton Mutaqeens.
You want to go Milton Mutaqeens?
Of course.
Okay,
yeah.
so all right. Which one you want to ask the first question?
So I think we can ask Zaim the first question.
Zaim?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, please bring the question number 1 for Zaim, round 2.
Which prophet will be raised to the position of Maqam al-Mahmud? Is it A, Prophet Ibrahim, B, Prophet Isa, C, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, or D, Jibril?
The answer is C, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
The answer is C, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Zaim, get the answer now. Now, you want to go with whom, Zaim?
I think we can go with Joaria.
Joaria,
Yes.
okay. Joaria, are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's see I see the smile on the face of Joaria. I think she know all the answers. She's very confident, looks like though. Let's see. Computer, bring the second questions, please.
What is the Quranic term for the concept of charity and almsgiving in Surah Al-Ma'idah? A, Zakah, B, Sawm, C, Hajj, or D, Salah?
The answer is A, Zakat.
The answer is A, Zakah is the correct answer. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Excellent, excellent. You guys are amazing. You guys are learned these questions. And I'm very happy when the children give the answer correct, because I know that this is fruit for us, right? When you learn something, it means that we did our job. Toronto 360 did our job. MashaAllah. So let's move on to the next questions to Jannah. Computer, bring the question, please.
In Surah Al-Ma'idah, what is the Quranic term for the concept of seeking Allah's guidance and assistance in the right path? Is it A, Tawbah, B, Dua, C, Dhikr, or D, Fatiha?
The answer is B, Dua.
The answer is B, Dua is the correct answer. MashaAllah, excellent, excellent team, Milton Mutaqeens. Now, all the pressure comes to on Abdul Rafi. Rafi, you have to take all the points, so you get all the 12 points in this round. So you are in a comfortable position, right, to get some points in the end, right?
Yep.
So you're ready for that?
Yes.
Okay, computer, bring the questions for Abdul Rafi, please.
How many years did the Ayyubid rule Jerusalem? A, Ayyubid ruled for 22 years. B, Ayyubid ruled for 72 years. C, Ayyubid ruled for 56 years. Or D, Ayyubid ruled for 27 years.
The answer is C. Ayyubid ruled for 56 years.
56 years? No, that's the wrong answer. I think so. 72 years is the right answer. Ayyubi rules 72 years. So you lose 2 points here. Very precious points, I will tell you. And unfortunately, but that's okay. You still have the chance. Let the other team how they will do that things. Okay. So in this round now, you have 2 points. You lose, and that's a very crucial. I'm telling you. You will see in the end. These points, when the crucial points are, once you lose, your team will lose as well. Okay. So let's start with Toronto. You want to start with Toronto?
Yeah, I think we should start with Kashif.
Okay, Kashif. For Kashif, bring the question number 1 for the Kashif, please.
In Surah Al-Ma'idah, what is the Quranic term for the concept of making a covenant and agreement with Allah? Is it A, Shahada, B, Tawbah, C, Ahd, or D, Ijaba?
C.
C, Ahad. Okay, let's see. That's the correct answer. MashaAllah, Kashif. And I will tell you one thing. Nobody try to help the children, right? Nobody help, right? We have to be very honest, right? Don't say very small, because your talk will be captured on the camera as well. Okay? So try to be honest with each other. No helping of each other, right? No murmuring, no telling, right? Small, not like this. Okay? Good. So let's move on to question number 2 with Imad. So where you want to ask this question?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead please.
In which surah is the verse where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded the believers to send Darood upon Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? A. Chapter Ma'idah, Ayah 56. B. Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 50. Or C. Surah Al-Ahzab, Ayah 56.
A. Chapter Ma'idah, Ayat 56.
Chapter Ma'idah, Ayat 56. Let's see the answer of this question, and that's wrong. Is Surah Ahzab, Ayah number 56. That is the answer is. Okay? Okay, so you lose the 2 points as well. Now this looks like we are another ties. I don't know. Because there's still 2 questions left, and there are 2 children left, so we don't know what will the outcome of this round, right?
Who knows?
Who knows? Okay, bring the question number 3 for Yahya, please.
How long is the Day of Judgment? Is it A, 100,000 years, B, 25,000 years, C, 50,000 years, or D, 200,000 years?
A, 100,000 years.
A, 100,000 years is the wrong answer. 50,000 years is the right answer. Sorry, you lose another 2 points. Unfortunately, how long the Day of Judgment is? 50,000, right? So remember that is 50,000 years, okay? So you guys have to remember that, okay? Because this is important knowledge, because Muslims should know those things, right, as well? But no problem, you still have long to go. And now the last question with the Maryam, you want to ask?
Sure.
Okay, computer, bring the question, please.
So for the last question, when did Muslims take Jerusalem back? A. In 1187 CE, Salahuddin Ayyubi took back Jerusalem. B. In 1180 CE, Salahuddin Ayyubi took back Jerusalem. Or C. In 1182 CE, Salahuddin Ayyubi took back Jerusalem. Or D. In 1189 CE, Salahuddin Ayyubi took back Jerusalem.
So, Maryam.
The answer is A, in 1187 CE.
So let's see, and that's the correct answer. Salahuddin Ayyubi, we all know in the history, right? Salahuddin Ayyubi is a great general of Muslim army. He did the great things during his time, and you know that that's the time there's a small era when the Jerusalem goes to the Crusader, right? So they are, it was under the rule of the Christians era, but Salahuddin Ayyubi took back that again, and you know that he fought very well, and that's why his name is in the history is there, and he's one of the famous general of the Muslim army. So that's very important history about the Jerusalem, because this history you should know that, right? It is starting from Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam and till today. That how the Jerusalem sometime goes to the Muslims, sometime go to some others, and sometime Muslim put back. But Muslims, most of the time, it is under the rule was in the rule of the Muslims as well.
It was an amazing match. It was neck to neck at the start, but the Milton Mutaqeens came out on top.
Okay.
Amazing, yeah.
Okay, so from here we have this episode is on here. We have the winner is actually the Milton Mutaqeens. Give a big claps to them. They earn a very valuable 3 points, really. Very valuable 3 points. And I think that that's a valuable 3 points is they will really remember that, because in the end, either somebody have to go to the semi-final, these 3 rounds work for them. So inshallah, tomorrow we will come back with another exciting episode of Ramzan Quiz Ways. And I hope that you are enjoying the blessing month of Ramzan. And inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept all your good deeds, all your taraweeh, all your sujood, all your charity in the blessing month of Ramzan. Inshallah, we'll come back again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.